And then if you get it and you find out you couldn't afford it,
Yeah.
that's when the Medicaid recovery Act comes in.
Yes, it does.
And gets you.
Wipes out all your wealth.
Right.
All right.
When you're looking at yeah, crazy stuff, huh? Crazy stuff. All things you have learned in personal finance.
Yeah.
The area of having a trust. And so why life insurance? Why do you think the combination of life insurance and trusts should be?
Man, that's a great
together?
point. I'm glad you made that. A fool and his money will soon part. And let me tell you something about insurance. We insure our cars. We insure our houses. You know what that car and house, you know how much that insurance costs? But you know the least expensive insurance, if you're healthy, it's basically life insurance. You know, when I say life insurance, you got policies now that actually have living benefits that'll pay you 70, 80% of the face amount. Bet y'all didn't know that. You got policies that now you can put money into, borrow against that, still get the rate of return on the full amount, not including the amount that you borrowed, that you can actually call your own bank. You got to understand what a bank does. It controls the flow of currency. You know, I'm a country boy and I fish, you know, I look at the banks control the flow of water. Water to me is currency. You know, currency is nothing but legal tender for goods and services. Stop falling out with people over money because it ain't yours. The Federal Reserve prints that. That's their shit. Okay, it ain't ours. But you can use it and don't abuse it. It can go to work for you. All right, by creating, you know, income producing assets. So insurance, life insurance, you know what I've done? All of my children, you know, grown, they all have life insurance that the trust pays for. All right, why? Because see, that's the way you replenish and help fund the trust. And that's one of the least expensive ways to do it. I'm sorry, we all are going to die. So why die and not have a system in place where people can be smiling at the funeral instead of crying? You think the Rockefellers, when somebody died, they crying? The Kennedy family, somebody's crying. We're gonna miss you. We had a good life, but look at what we're gonna leave behind for the next generation. All right. So now there's nothing to inquire about when we know when income is missing. You got to have income replacement. You got to have a system. You got to have a plan. Are you planning to fail? And I don't think failure is an option.
Yeah, every time a wealthy family dies, if they're properly planned, they leave a bag in the family trust.
Absolutely.
So on the way to heaven, they drop off a bag, and the family trust to bless the
No
next
taxes.
generation.